Ladies and gentlemen, I've been meaning to do this video for a while, so hopefully you could follow along. So let's go to the Google Play Store. You see our Google right here, and we're going to go to the Play Store right here. Matter of fact, let's turn our little pen on so we know what we're doing, and we'll get out of there. And in the top right hand corner, you'll see your profile icon. Your profile icon in the top right corner circle next to the microphone right there. Some people will still see it on the left hand side. It'll be 3 hash marks on the top left hand side. That's called the menu bar still, the menu bar. So you want to go over here. Oh, hold up a minute. We don't want that. Let's go over here. Excuse me. And you want to go to manage apps and devices. See the little thing circling right there or refreshing? And it's going to give you updates available. 1 update pending. Update all. And if you want to see the updates in progress or what it is being updated, see details. Okay, Google Chrome is updating. Luckily, I'm on the Wi-Fi, so it should only take a second. You know what I mean? Only take a second. Okay, it's all done. We're going to tab back out of there and tab back out again. Now what we want to do is go back again to your menu bar. Like I said, it could be on the top right or on the top left, depending on what version of Android you got. So if you're on Android 12, you'll see it on the top right where your Google profile icon is at. So that's how you pull up the menu inside of the Google Play Store now. So let's tap it again. And we're going to go to settings now. Network and preferences. App download preference. Choose over any network. And click done. Auto update apps. Choose over any network. And click done. Autoplay videos. Autoplay videos at any time. Autoplay videos at any time and click done. And after that, you're going to tab back out of your settings. And after that, you can just bang and close it out like that. You know what I mean? So now let's go to the Twitter over here real quick. And let's go to our music page. Kithe Productions, Kithe. Now let's go to our profile. Now, right here, where the little money sign is next to the edit profile, going to click that, and it's going to bring up payment systems, Bandcamp, Cash App, Venmo. So if you wanted to send somebody a donation, a tip, money for a product or something like that, you're going to click one of those, payment services, we'll say. You're going to click one of those payment services, and it'll take you to wherever it needs to take you. So let's click on Cash App real quick. And as you see, tipping is subject to third-party platforms terms, including what information is shared about people sending money to one another. No money goes to Twitter. Now, okay, we're going to click continue. Now, I want y'all to be patient with this because sometimes, depending on your phone, it might take a second. So we're going to click continue. And it usually takes a second for Cash App to pop up. It may not pop up on this, actually, come to think of it, because I don't have Cash App on this particular device, but it will pop up. Maybe we could do Bandcamp instead, because I do believe I have Bandcamp here. Let's see if Bandcamp pops up. Oh, there it goes. There it goes, right there. So as you see, it's taking you to the Bandcamp, and you can make a donation inside of here somewhere around and send a particular content creator, artist, or something like that some money. So let's go back. We're going to cancel out of that. And that's pretty much it right there for the most part. So let's go back, and let's go back to our profile right here. So let's go back to the profile, and let's go to edit profile. And see where it says tips on at the bottom right there? You click that, and you could load your own Cash App in there and click OK. And that way now people can send you money or whatever the case be. If you are a content creator, so forth, person who does, social media and all that other good stuff, and people want to support you. And we'll leave it at that for right now.